In this video, what we're going to learn is we're going to learn how to add an image from the web. Now, there's two ways to add an image to an HTML file. One is from a local image, where you call upon the image from the same file that the HTML file is contained in. And the second one is linked to an image on the internet. We're going to learn about how to kind of link to an image later on. That's a link to a local image later on. For now, we're just going to learn about how to kind of link into another image that we found maybe on Google or something like that. So what we do is we open up an image tag, which is done like so. Open up our tag img, and then we go S or C, standing for source, equals, open up our, equals, not plus, equals, open up our quotation mark. And what goes into our quotation mark here is basically the image address, okay? So I'm going to flick over here for 1 second. Okay. And we see I've got a HTML5 image here. I'm going to right click on that. And I'm going to hit copy image address. Now, so the image address is now on my clipboard. So I'm ready to copy and paste it in. So let's flick back to my code pen here. And in between these two brackets, I'm just going to put the link to the image. So we're going to go Control V. Now we see that it's got, we see it's popped in now. Now let's close this off. Let's close the tag off. So we see it's https w3org. So I've gotten this image off the W3 website. Okay. Now, so we see that this image is a certain size. That's what it comes in whatever size the actual image is, the page will automatically render it in that size. But let's say you want to maybe change the size to fit into your document. So we're going to do that, what we're going to use is we're going to use CSS. Okay, so let's click in here just after our tag, and we're going to put in here style equals, open up our brackets, and we're going to go width double dots, and we're going to put in pixels what width we'd like it. So let's say we wanted width 200 px. Okay, so now you can see that the width is changed to 200. Now I'm going to put in a semicolon here. Semicolon is going to allow me to add more to my style. Okay, so we're going to go, no, I shouldn't actually put a space there. So height, double dots, and let's make the height, just to kind of throw the image off a little, we're going to make the height 500 px, and then semicolon. Okay, see the way I've changed the way the image is, it's much more elongated now. Okay, so we can change this. If we change this to 300, watch what happens. Notice how the image has gone back to the way more like what it was. So that's how you add an image, and how you basically change the size of an image. Now you can align that to the center like we've learned before. But now I want to do is I want to put in like an alternative text. So say for whatever reason this image doesn't load, you can add an alternative text. So what you go is you go alt equals, open up your quotation mark, and you go HTML5 logo. So that's the alternative text that comes up. Okay, so that's all we really need to know in terms of how to bring an image in. As I said, we'll learn how to bring an image from maybe our computer in locally after.